Look up. Our sun decided to wear a ring today. Maybe it's showing off its new accessory to the rest of the solar system? Or is it secretly hinting, I'm ready to get married, who's proposing? But hold on, no need to overthink it. This is just a cool optical phenomenon called a sun halo. It happens when sunlight passes through ice crystals in the atmosphere. It's like the sky saying, today's special, let me add a magical circle. Sure, it's just science doing its thing, but maybe it's also the universe's way of telling us to pause, look up and say, wow, the sky's looking awesome today.